Well, who does that?
Who does that?
Oh, please touch me. There you go.
Why is it all crooked?
There you go.
What happened to it? Going back to crooked.
Is this less crooked? Wait, Bell. Oh my, Bell, you took up the screen. I can't tell if it's crooked or not.
It's so weird. I can see myself on the TV.
Is it crooked?
Marvel, I like the dance moves.
Is this crooked, Bella?
A little, but like it's fine.
Go left or right?
It's tilted. There you go. There you go. Wait, now it's too much. Go back. Okay, wait, go back.
Left or right?
Go back to the
Opposite
left.
you just did. Stop.
Good. Just stay there. Oh my gosh.
All right. Are we ready?
Yep. Hello.
We go
The
forward
Bears,
now.
we're gonna get masked at home.
You guys, I'm so glad that we have a bio test next class, and I don't know what's going
Well, she's wearing
on.
a mask because
Oh my God, it's literally gonna
her
be so
dad tested
bad.
positive.
Oh wait, Bella, did you finish the Dark Town lab?
Yeah.
Okay, that sucks. She said that we
I think it's fine.
don't have to do it right now. I
Yeah.
was like doing it, and then Bonch got really upset and he emailed her, and she emailed him back, and I was like, if everyone's confused, then I guess we can like just not worry about it right now.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love that I
Stella's
just guesstimated some answers, but it's fine.
earbuds.
There you go.
Wait, I have
High
a question.
quality.
Bella, when do you come back?
Never.
Next Monday. Unless I get it, then it's longer. But that's why we're wearing a mask.
We're gonna miss Friday.
Yeah, you're gonna miss our 1980s theme.
I know, I'm so upset. I wanted to dress up as 80s so bad.
I talked to him Friday, and I was like, Mr. Olson, we should just switch them
What is
because
the 80s?
like
The
Bella's
80s,
gonna
like,
care more
yeah,
about
like,
80s than
Hollywood.
she's gonna care about like.
Just
How
look
was
at
it?
the
Scrabble
80s.
Day.
Yeah, I don't care about Scrabble Day. I don't care about whatever the other one is, Cowboys and Aliens. I just want to dress up for 80s, but it's fine.
I'll
Oh,
talk to
look
him again and
back.
see if he'll change it.
Letters.
Leather outfit.
Of course.
98.
Some shades.
Like Danny.
Shades. Get
Like Johnny.
like
Johnny.
white t-shirt, ripped jeans.
I wanted to be Dally from The Outsiders.
No, Jazz. Well, you dirty dog. Well, let me see.
Hold on.
What is that?
I feel like you just need curly hair, like real and shoulder
Like
pads.
these? You know what they? Right.
All right, are we ready?
More or less.
What are you guys doing?
We're
Looking
looking
at
at
80s.
80s fits.
You can do that later.
Like jeans.
Yeah, pretty much jeans.
Get some leather
Leather-
on.
Like maybe,
jacket.
if not leather, then like
Denim.
Denim.
Have some sort of colored t-shirt, like preferably like white or black.
Yeah. Well, you gotta get some 80s. Oh, sweaters were big back in the 80s.
Sweaters were a big hit. I have such a good 90s
Sweaters,
sweater,
jeans.
but like obviously we don't have 90s. But if we did, I would destroy it because the sweater is like perfectly 90s.
Oh, because we only have 5 people here, and Will like overdid the water. We're all gonna have like a lot of tea.
That'll be fine. Mr. Sotelo will probably drink
The
that.
butter?
That works.
Oh wait, what? The tea. Wait, what flavor did we have last time? That was so good.
We had peach together, and then we
Yeah.
had the cinnamon one last time.
The cinnamon one. Wait,
I could do that one again.
Wait, where's it at?
It's down there. No, to the left. Up.
So it's all fast compared to
This?
I'm pretty
80s
sure.
good?
No,
This is not
to the left.
Oh, okay, it said cinnamon.
sweet and spicy. That's what it was.
Oh,
That's
so
right,
good.
right.
What's it though, man? Yeah, Marvel. Really? Marvel. What? Marvel.
Hey, Mr. Chappelle, just whenever you get a chance, can you post the last class's recording?
Wait,
I did this morning, Bella.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it should be in the playlist.
Like white t-shirt and vests.
Is it?
That's like
On the playlist.
Oh, yeah, that's Marty McFly.
yeah, pretty much.
I do have the best, like, good.
I see.
Good, that's
I think I have a great vest too.
Should be EVT.
I mean, like,
80s prom.
We use a free, yeah. Imagine our prom.
That's 80s
Well, I'm
theme.
looking at for stuff
Oh my God, that'd be so funny.
Let me put you audio through the TV so I can.
Okay.
Hello.
Except for I probably won't grease my hair.
I'm gonna grease my hair straight back, slit. My parents are like, "What are you doing?" They're
What
like,
are you doing?
Hey,
"Oh yeah."
what are you doing, stuff?
I need to
Me
get
and Marvel don't need to like grease it if we don't like.
What's it
want
called?
You guys will be.
EVT.
No, I'm gonna gel my hair.
It's just Asian.
Yeah,
It's
I
an
know.
Asian thing.
I'm gonna gel my
That's why we
hair.
have to
Be
constantly
like,
wash our hair every day.
I need to go buy some like
Like
a shiny
EVT and
gel.
implicit
Oh,
differentiation.
gotcha. And implicit differentiation.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I got it.
I better do it.
But
80s
it's
are
a
gonna
hair
win.
product. What?
Oh, we're absolutely.
We're all mad here.
Yep.
It's not bad.
Let's try
176.
a sweetness.
I guess we'll do sweet and spicy again.
That's what I'm doing. It's 176. Wait, what do we have to do? What does it have to be to like peak T performance? Well, it's climbing.
The green tea, you don't quite have to get up to 212. That's also
I know. What do we have in it?
sweet.
It's
spicy.
Oh, this one.
It's 7.5.
Yeah,
Wait, where does it say?
I guess it applies in the box.
But the thing that smelled the best was that apple one.
Which one?
It like,
It's at 190.
I don't know if you were there, but like it smelled like apples. I don't think you were there. I think it was
What? I've never missed.
Wait, what does it say?
when you were online.
Oh,
That thing has
And
7.
Griffin felt like I was
Right.
We could use it.
Oh, where?
Nah. Oh, purple, black, orange, white, green,
That's some green ginger. Black.
green wing?
What?
Green.
Really?
What? Oh, I thought it was like brie wing.
Really?
Well, I thought it because they're all T's, and I'm like, oh, it's a T. So I'm like, brie wing. Like, never heard of it.
Well.
Sounds fancy.
I feel like I hope you enjoy my England.
You better go first in lunch today.
Oh, this feels mighty fun.
Brat.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
hot dog.
I gotta get a link
Or
for
just
that
get one
bra
of these.
as quick as possible.
You have two for
They don't get good cooking.
everyone got one, but we asked for one.
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
it's
it's
getting
all
nice.
boiling
Oh,
together.
yeah.
Hey, are we gonna? Last time for just asked for one.
Yeah, and I remember the
Oh,
brat.
can you
I
do
did
that?
not like the brat or the hot dog. They both sucked.
What?
That
No.
day.
That day, hot dogs are normally so good here. They were not like.
They weren't
Are
like
you
the-
trying to get the bra?
Grilled is better. Yeah.
You know what?
I think
No, what was that? So you
Well,
just
and the
you
brat was
just
like it was like a beer brat, and it wasn't good.
you literally just
The
asked
brat's a
for
lot of
one.
work, not gonna lie.
That's all you do. And they'll do it. That's the thing I did last time. Well, everyone else got one. We got two.
Bro,
It's like cinnamon gum.
If we go last, we asked.
it's so bunnies. I just watched the video. I just watched it.
Is that cola?
I finally watched the whole.
What? That team?
Nice.
Look, that's Mr. Anderson back there. Looks mad cute.
Mr. Anderson.
Yeah, my Mr. Anderson.
Bugs.
Oh.
Bill.
Mm.
Look at me.
Billy Anderson.
Middle school. You made me.
I love him.
Marvel, do you want some? Or I mean, Will.
Did you just call him Marble?
That's amazing.
No.
Will he just
Oh.
called you?
Wow.
Wait, technically.
Well, that's good enough.
No, it's not.
They. No, you need. You need.
I forget how wide around it is.
Oh, you need more
Oh,
than
no,
says
it's
it.
just telling me he's born.
No, I got plenty.
You need more.
I don't need
Come
more.
here.
I won't be able to drink it.
Marble already? Yeah, I already had it, Nick.
What you doing?
Bella, you want some tea?
I have some.
Oh, what tea do you have?
You don't have sweet and spicy though.
I have Earl Grey green tea.
Oh, that's what I want to get for here.
It's good.
Yes.
Get some more. No, I literally.
You see Marvel online?
I know, but
See
wait,
Will?
but mine's taller than yours.
Halfway.
You know what? That's
No, we literally have the same amount. No, stop.
Okay, we can throw the water away. It's fine.
I'm just-
Leave the top off or something,
What?
so it cools and stuff.
Okay.
We ready? We ready?
Wait.
Wait.
Beef jerky time.
No, that does not go.
It goes
What?
better though.
Movies, games,
Not-
skeletons,
I guess it
We're
could.
hoping the hot dog and broth's gonna be good.
Oh my gosh, this is
I'm gonna
so
be disappointed.
We had to like dress these skeletons for Spanish,
Mhm.
and okay, let me explain what I did for mine because I didn't take a picture, so I can't show you. But basically, I cut out little pants, and then I taped them on just white pants on plain notebook paper, and then I cut out a little jacket. But I left. Okay, so like I cut out the side pieces, but left a piece attaching them, and then I put it behind his neck, so he wore it like a little cape, but it was like a jacket. And then I colored it blue, and then he was supposed to be John Mulaney, but
Oh,
I
okay.
did.
He sounds like Sans on the.
Be the bigger one.
He sounds like Sans on Undertale. You know who I'm talking about?
No.
Did you watch the
Have you seen the?
that John Mulaney on the stand-up?
Oh, the one that he did on SNL.
Yeah.
I haven't seen his like most like the one that he like just did. I didn't see
This
that.
is Sans.
Oh.
I see.
Yeah, the blue.
Me.
It kind of looks like that guy.
Sure.
You're like, no.
I mean the blue for sure.
And the skeleton, like
Right. The fact that he's dead.
shorts, not the right color.
Not shorts.
But, okay.
Jorts.
John Mulaney only wears suits.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Defining curves. Why does
Double
Marvel take all of Nate's Jolly Ranchers? Is my question.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like I took one like a gentle woman, and Marvel took like 7.
because I am a savage man.
Marvel's like, yeah,
All right.
that's
Okay,
what I want.
I'm ready.
That's gentle. And
So wait,
Marvel-
are we gonna pick up where we left off? Because you were like showing us something, but then we didn't have time.
No, because I don't remember.
Okay.
I have zero memories of
Where do we
this.
take this up?
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
gonna take my notes.
I think we were doing science
Oh, you have a
equations, and I think we will get into that again today. Can you see, Bella?
No, but that's okay.
You can't see this?
Oh.
No, it just since the connection is bad, it just says presentation with like the Newman symbol.
Really?
Sounds like Bella's Wi-Fi son.
It'll go in and out, but
Sounds like we should
But
continue.
Could you see the video?
I haven't looked at it yet.
No, I
But I
mean,
think- But since it's like your screen that you're recording, I think it should be fine.
let me.
So what are we doing?
What I could do is try not presenting.
Not presenting.
Then you guys won't have the video later, but
Oh,
let me try something. All right, I
I
have.
gotta go check out a video. See how my call.
And we do
Oh
this.
my, now that is Bella.
I can't really aim it down, can I?
I?
I can't really aim it down.
Wait a minute.
I should have got a better arm.
You could wear like a GoPro.
I could wear a GoPro.
Put it on your head.
All right.
What? Oh, it's crooked. It's crooked again.
Is it?
It's crooked line.
Oh my.
Oh.
It's so crooked line.
No, it is.
It's line.
I'll fix it for you.
What?
Oh, that's better.
That's.
No, it's definitely.
All right.
No, you can do what you did before. I just won't be able to see what you're doing right now. I'll have to go watch the video later.
Oh.
Let me send you the worksheet on the classroom.
Okay. I'll just try and envision it in my head.
You got it, Belle.
All right, there you go, Bella.
Struggling?
Oh, it's hot.
I'll present again so that you can see the screen in the recording.
Okay.
It doesn't work all the time.
Yeah, it does. The answer to everything.
Smoothie.
Exactly.
It's the worksheet 32.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what? So you know 3 is. Oh wait, last chance you.
What?
He said
You.
you know the Netflix show You
Oh, I said.
with
Last
the guy
Chance
from
You.
Gossip
I'm like,
Girl.
what? I haven't watched it.
All right.
I haven't watched it either, actually.
Are you ready?
I watched reviews.
Yes.
We did something like this, right?
I
Oh,
watched, okay,
there's a-
I watched the pilot of the second
You already
season.
So we're going to do implicit
That
differentiation.
was actually really good.
The first term, we have a product, first of all. We have x squared times y. So what do we do?
Product rule.
That's right.
Right.
So
So you got yourself
Didn't we already did this already?
X squared.
I feel like we did do this already, but
What?
did we do this sheet already?
Yeah, I think we did that
We
one.
did that.
Let me see.
I think it was on a
wrote down.
different sheet, but it was
Okay,
just,
no, we didn't. We did x squared plus y squared equals 9.
yeah.
So then we got like 2xy
No, we got
plus
x-
x squared y
Yeah, we already did
plus
this.
prime plus y squared plus xy.
No, we didn't.
Yeah,
Oh,
we did.
oh wait, yes, we did actually. I literally wrote it right above it. And
Is
then I
was it
just
this
said-
exact thing?
Yeah, it's x squared y plus xy squared.
Okay.
equals 6. So yeah, we did this one.
All right.
But
How
I think
about
that's the only one we did.
number 2 then?
No, why did you put this over parentheses? I'm looking at it.
Oh no,
Number
not
2, yeah, I'm not sure.
Wait. I
Oh, we
got
did
it.
something like that. We didn't do the sheet though, but
No, but we did that
It's
exact.
the exact problem.
yeah, but it was with the radius thing. It was with the circle.
Nathan.
All right, we'll look at number 2.
Yeah.
Then number 1 should be in the video, hopefully.
Y squared.
Yeah, it is.
It's definitely in the video.
All right, so derivative of the left.
Y, 2y,
And?
y prime.
Yes. So that's just the chain rule. You treat the y just like it's x, but because y is a function of x, you will, so I bring the power down, I drop the power by 1, then I have to do the derivative of what's inside according to the chain rule. So I'll just write y prime as to represent that. So that is for Bella, that's 2y prime, that's the left-hand side. And then the right-hand side, we have a quotient, right?
So you got your hoodie high,
No.
Yeah, so Hody high, we have x plus 1 times what?
1.
Wait.
Good, good.
Oh, I wrote this wrong. Wait a minute.
Hody high minus Heidi ho, so x minus 1 times,
1.
very good, all over
Oh,
ho ho, just in time for Christmas.
so it's time for Thanksgiving.
But no one's bogus. Why do we have school? Why do we have school tomorrow?
Honestly. Just
I don't
because
know.
I'm not
Wait.
saying-
So bogus.
Oh, because it's the.
Election day,
You
yeah.
have stopped on school tomorrow?
Everyone
Soccer's
does
no
that school
school.
tomorrow.
Yeah, it's because we like.
Public school has no school.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
because we don't belong to the government.
That's right.
It's dumb.
That's so stupid.
And because WCC, because I'm not here for the first flight, I don't have to show up until like 9:30.
Nice.
Yeah,
I'm like,
we don't have black tomorrow, right?
But I think I'm gonna go out for breakfast.
There you go. That's what I would do.
I know.
Grab me some, Dave. And you should also grab me some as well.
Maybe I guess you
Theology.
could just bring everyone breakfast.
Because then we don't have calculus tomorrow. Right. Also, what?
Yeah, but you're in my theology class. Yeah.
You're not in my class, but you can make good stuff.
Good stuff. Yeah.
I actually don't know what my class learned.
You'll be you'll see her during lunch.
Ryan and I.
All right, that's
Mags.
basically the answer, guys. You just got to solve for y prime.
That's it.
We'll simplify.
Oh.
X plus 1 minus x minus 1, that should be 2 over
Just put ketchup in.
x squared plus 2x plus 1.
Whoa.
Wait.
The twos-
How is x plus 1 minus x plus minus 1 equals 2?
Because minus x
You cancel
plus
your
1.
X's.
So it's
Bam, bam.
Two,
And then you
Ooh.
get, you silly.
Okay.
Will, are you cereal?
I am cereal.
All right, so I can write y prime
Over easy.
is
this
equal to
a
what?
different
or something.
problem,
No,
or is this our problem?
This is the same problem.
Okay.
Egg.
Oh, I see. So you canceled your 2.
Over.
Yes,
But then what do you do with that extra y?
that's still down there.
Oh, okay.
Now what you can do is say that, well, y is, if y squared is all that, then
Oh my God,
y
I
is
really
equal
didn't need
to,
go with, like so hard. I wanted to go with anybody with
Where?
to breakfast for Matthew.
Just you?
Well,
Wow.
no, we were gonna go with you guys, but we weren't gonna go to Sterling.
Oh, did it? Oh, actually, I remember that. Because someone's gonna pick up Will. I remember that.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And then somehow he didn't.
Somehow we just didn't do it.
Yeah, that all.
all right, so number two,
Those are good.
number two, they just left it like this. As you can see, they got the answers down below.
So
What is
fasting? What is fasting this year?
What do you mean, what is math?
Like regional?
Yeah, as far as I can tell, it's just regionals.
You can eat any one side.
When?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was it.
I don't know.
Because we were all gonna go, but it wasn't fair to the Dixon kids because it was like, we were meeting at like.
Didn't I show you this last
Yeah,
time?
we were
Yeah,
going
but
really
stupid
early.
early.
I don't know if I saw
Yeah, I would have
when
done it
was the
for
regionals
the-
or what.
I don't remember.
Like the same as last year?
I think it is. Let me just go to the zip grade. Uh,
Wait, whoa, when's version?
Second.
So won't you be able to drive?
Well, I'll have to get my license first. And I will be able to drive.
So then you will.
Yeah, I will have to.
Which means you can, oh,
You
yeah.
can get breakfast.
Means we don't have to pick you up for breakfast. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, Parkway's
they say.
still underrated. Everyone's like, let's go to the picnic now. It's like, no, Parkway. We get free coffee. What?
I've never been part
You've been to make, you've been
Yeah,
to make.
we used to go to make pancake house.
Everyone goes to Benny's and
Where's Benny's?
Red Apple.
Oh, yeah, that's right, over there. Yeah, what did we do for basketball last year?
Benny's.
Yeah, and how did I get there?
Yeah, who picked you up?
Yeah.
I remember Will, I'm like, Will, what you doing? And we're like, Will.
He just won.
But why?
Yeah,
Just
wait.
for the- Well,
So then we go
hoverboard.
school first, and then somehow it's a late day. And then we all drive over there, and then we rush back.
I don't know when it is.
I know we were like going to the bathroom a lot for the first hour.
Yeah, I remember that. Why was it though?
Oh,
Cause what was that?
Whoa.
What do we
Do we have testing?
testing?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what happened that day?
Was it all schools week?
I forgot. Like
I
it
remember.
was just a late day, and then
Well, I don't think we had a late day. I think we just were like, oh my god, we're gonna be late. But I
Oh
don't
yeah, we
know.
were gonna be late, and then
Because the food wasn't coming. We're like, guys, what happens? Are we just like gonna leave?
Yeah.
It was during Lent, and then
Oh yes, right.
and then everyone got a meat lover
Oh, yeah.
on a Friday, and I'm like, I wasn't gonna say anything.
Man, after
So
we
I
ordered
said-
them, and then you stand it. I'm like,
Guys, isn't it Friday? Everyone's like, gosh.
Yeah, no, I forget all the time.
And then they're like,
and then we
I mean, if we lose, it's because of this.
Yeah, and then we lost.
But then we lost the next.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the devil helped us.
Yeah, it was all that meat. What's
Yeah.
in the system?
I don't know when it is.
All right.
I'll take a guess.
It's after Christmas.
It's always around my birthday.
Oh, that's.
When's your birthday?
It's usually
February.
I
mid-February.
was just gonna say
Oh,
February. Oh my
Oh,
god.
you're
Oh my
right.
god, you guys
Oh my
just
God.
know.
Last year it was February 22nd.
Was it
What?
I remember
February
that.
22nd?
Is that
Was
what it
last
is?
year.
Oh, last year.
Oh my god, with that.
Which I think might have been a little later than normal. Is that right? Or is that normal? No, I think that was normal.
Oh yeah, we're going to the park. No, that maybe we gotta do. We're going to park.
Guess I'll wake up.
Looks like I'm waking up at 5:30 in the morning.
Guess I'm gonna do it for the team.
Then we're gonna sleep. It'll be a good time.
All right.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Oh, I got
Wait, so we don't have state this year? We should make our original like state.
Wait a minute, I got
X
this.
equals tan y.
Yeah, I need to make a duplicate of this.
So
Make it
this is
more
so
fun.
easy. Oh my god. This is so easy.
Good.
Then do it.
I'm doing it. So you have your little product rule. Wait, just kidding, I lied. Right? That's wrong, right? Doesn't it have to be
Is it?
like, wouldn't it have to be like tan of X, Y?
Is it?
It is.
It is, but never mind, I'm a genius. Okay, so you're gonna do your cumulative product.
A
rule.
tan of, no, it's x equals tangent of y.
I know, but doesn't it have to be, like to do product rule, wouldn't it have to be like,
Not product rule.
yeah, exactly.
Wait, so the tangent
Come on.
Just do a little
Come on.
power
Keep on going.
rule.
Not
Would it be
power rule.
secant?
I don't know what the,
Is
yeah,
it?
I don't know what
What's the derivative of tangent?
I
Secant.
don't know.
No, it's not.
Like
Secant,
sine over
right?
cosine.
Let's do that.
It's
Tan-
secant.
tangent.
Isn't it secant squared?
Yes, it's secant
I
squared.
knew
Yeah.
it was gonna say
You guys should be able to prove that though, because it's sine.
over cosine.
Yeah.
The sine.
And then quotient rule, right? Hody high.
Oh yeah, right.
You get
Oh,
a
that's so
cosine squared y
That's too much work.
I think I was just trying to memorize.
minus high d ho, which gives you this.
Wait, how'd you get cosine squared?
I'm not a big fan of this.
How do you hold oh yeah?
Kid,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, how you hold?
The derivative of sine is cosine.
Not a
We
big
had it yesterday.
Oh,
I did.
Oh,
Isn't it negative sign? Oh, 'cause
Over
it's-
here it is.
But when there's a negative already there.
It just smells.
Yeah, so it turns it into positive.
Oh,
I
okay,
guess
that
it's
makes
fine.
sense.
And sine squared plus cosine squared is 1,
Well, Earl Grey is the best, but I think that's because
Which is
smells
secant.
normal. You know?
squared y.
I like this.
It's not very risky.
I'm not a big
Bro,
fan.
just put it down. That's it.
All right, so yeah, derivative of the left is what?
Say that again.
One.
Oh,
Yeah,
Don't
1.
say that again. Just kidding.
One
Say
equals.
what?
Derivative-
Secant squared.
Don't forget the chain rule here. What's the derivative of the right?
Imposter say what?
What?
Y
She's
prime.
Gotcha.
No.
She's a killer.
Secant
What's the
squared.
question?
Yeah,
Y prime. and
Y prime. You gotta do two Y's.
Wait, why is it that?
A little goofy.
the derivative of tangent
Wait, why
is
is it
secant
chain rule?
squared.
Because you always use chain rule of Y.
Yeah.
That's right.
You?
Yeah,
So,
because Y is an X.
Y
So
prime
you have to
equals
make it a function of X.
One over secant squared.
Y prime.
1 over secant squared.
Yeah. Which is cosine squared, right?
Wow.
Wait, how'd you?
Really?
You said.
Oh, good answer.
Wow.
Wait, this is an R math class.
Which is Y
Wait,
prime equals.
this isn't your math class. This is
Oh.
our math class.
Wait, we're in.
No, we're in math class, Mark.
It's not your teeth, it's
Our team
Wait, we're in math class.
always have that.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
We good?
This is like that. You go through the cup and then.
Wait, what?
Sorry.
All right, how about this one?
Which one?
Wait, well, with this one and then.
Oh, is this a fake or is this number 4?
Your
This is number 4.
Okay. X.
Um,
Wait, you have to let me write it down before anyone answers.
So what would you?
Will!
The answer is 1.
Will, I'm not ready. Okay. I'm ready.
You're welcome.
So for the XY, you do your product
it's
rule.
legit
Yes.
XY.
What are you talking about? For XY, you have to do product rule.
So the right hand
So it's-
side, yeah.
Yeah, so it's
X times 1.
It's no, it's X, Y, Y prime,
No.
Yeah.
right?
Derivative of y is what?
X, well, it's Y, Y prime.
Just one Y prime.
Yeah,
Let's go.
What
So
is
it's
it?
Y prime.
just y prime.
Okay, so I basically had it. That's what you're saying.
Wait, is it, wait, because it's X.
So what do you do with
No,
that?
because
minus-
X is 1 and the Y is
Okay.
1, and then you plus the,
Chain rule.
yeah, so it'll be 1.
So XY.
That makes enough sense.
With y squared, we had a y left over from the power rule.
equals 1 plus cosine.
Wait,
Wait, you have to do
Y
this.
equal Y prime.
wait.
So that's Y.
We also have to
one.
do
It's just one Y.
just y, right? Yeah. Good. And then the left-hand side,
1 plus cosine Y prime.
1 plus
Cosine.
cosine.
Wait, yeah. Is it just cosine? Why did
Cosine Y
why
prime.
did I think it was negative?
Sine
Oh, no,
derivative
right,
is
that's when you're
cosine.
going
So if there's any Y, you pretty much add.
Y prime.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just do the derivative like it were x, but then put a y prime.
So what do you do
Okay,
there?
that makes sense.
How do we simplify this?
So if you Y prime
solve
by
y prime by
so
itself.
divide it by 1 cosine Y.
No. This isn't. subtract 1 from both sides, or get the two terms on one side.
Oh,
So I'm going to move this to the left and 1 to the right. So I'm going to get cosine of y times y prime
Minus y.
minus xy prime
What?
equals y minus 1.
And then you divide
Where did?
cosine of y and negative x.
Okay,
So
Yeah,
y
factor out
goes to
y prime.
so we moved the 1 over and moved the x, y.
Yes.
X. Come on.
Right.
Then you divide that.
There you go. Look at this. Genius.
Oh yeah.
Has anyone watched Bly Manor?
What?
I have not, Bella.
Nope, not yet.
Wait,
It
what
is
you-
so good. Finished it last night.
Never.
It's
It's on
a,
Netflix.
it's
A
a
new
new
show on
one
Netflix.
one time, I think.
Yeah, it's kind of like an inside joke a little bit. I don't know
Oh,
if you really
so I'm
understand
not
it.
in the know.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Shouldn't have dropped
So
out of
sure.
English.
Oh.
What else goes?
Is that okay?
Oh, wait. Okay, remember how last class Will was talking about how you watched that video that was like this guy saying that 0 is equal to 1?
Yes.
I saw a video on my feed the other day that was proving that 1 is equal to 2.
That's the same stuff.
Yeah, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool.
It's so different.
Where is
It
it?
like explains why you can't divide by 0. Because
Exactly.
if you do, then
Yes.
everything makes sense.
Yes, yes. Whenever that happens, you've taken something and then divided by it,
Right.
and then later you did something where you turned that into 0.
Uh-huh.
So unbeknownst to you previously, you divided by 0. What is this? I hear a video. Oh, is that the video?
Have you saw the last one yet? Soft break.
3x squared plus 2x minus 1 to the derivative, that's easy.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's like literally the same stuff we were learning.
Plus 2. 6x plus 2.
All right. I want to show you guys a different thing.
What?
So the next thing is not implicit differentiation.
It is.
It
It's,
is
it's just not from a
Who wants to do
normal
more?
like calc book type problem.
And I didn't finish the first season. But I do love the show. It's really good.
So
Like that, geez.
when we have the
Mango is hot.
Wait, I haven't seen his face though.
I know, just
You're
like
obsessed with
you
the
know,
mask.
no, it's just
It's the helmet.
It's just like
Bella, you heard it here. She's obsessed with helmets.
he's a
too.
capable young man.
Who has a helmet on?
Yeah, he does look good.
Who has a helmet on?
The Mandalorian. I was saying that I think he's attractive.
Mhm.
Who?
The Mandalorian.
Look it up.
Do you know who he is? Also,
Well, I don't know.
oh my god, he's so good with kids.
The Mandalorian.
Yeah,
just not infants because I can't track his face.
No. Yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like I looked up the actor once and I was like, eh. But
Yeah.
like,
You like to
This
call
dude
them
that
versus-
you can't see his face?
yeah, his face is like mediocre, but.
His face is mediocre at best, but the helmet though. Oh, I
The
love
guy,
Alright,
the
alright.
guy who played
At least we know
Face.
Adrian isn't shallow.
What
it.
is
Is
it?
what?
I said at least we know Adrian isn't shallow because you can't see his face.
True. That's true.
But with his face, she's like, nah.
Yeah.
Without,
That's fair.
All right.
without the face, oh yeah.
So now normally in math we have things like equations with x and y,
Aging with face.
Yeah.
As long as they put-
and y, remember, is normally a function of x. So you could have y of x, you could have f of x, you could have g of x, right? Yeah, everything's a function of x. That's why when we
Your
took
G's
the
and your Y's are the same.
Yep.
I just think
Yeah.
it's funny.
Fair enough.
You can keep going.
can I
All right. Wow.
h
I thought you wrote Y twice.
That H is pretty close to.
No, you have to. Your teeth also do kind of look alike. Also.
my t's are completely different. My
What's
t's are
your
like
T's?
this.
Yeah, I do that too.
My f's are like that.
No, the little T. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
You have to do the line in the middle one.
That's an I.
Will's confused.
That's an I?
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
that's,
that's a
a
good
nice
eye.
Yeah,
eye.
I like that too.
That's a fancy I.
Oh, dang, that's a nice eye.
That's a J.
J.
K.
Oops, that
I cannot submit that as a character.
my arm hit control and like it stopped drawing.
Whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Kind of looks like an R.
Yeah, that's right.
Right, but like.
How about your H?
No, R's like that.
Oh,
What?
No.
I'm so
That's
bad
illegal.
because there's an R in my name.
That's a That's a
And then I
cursive.
write
R.
it in
This is
cursive.
not a cursive bar.
It looks like garbage when I
Wait,
write
is that
it.
an M?
No, R's I normally write like that.
Yeah.
Wait, Will, do you know cursive?
Yeah.
What? There are like kids that don't know cursive.
There's a lot of
They
people.
teach, they teach me at 3rd grade.
Right.
We got tons.
Because they're like phasing it out now, but like
Yeah.
we all know cursive.
Well, no, there are kids like my age that are like, yeah, the only thing I know how to write
Yeah,
cursive
that's
is my
so
name.
weird.
And I'm like,
Yeah, the last couple of
No,
years
it's not writing
I would write and people would be like, I can't even read that.
That's all right.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I feel like if you know how to write your name in cursive, you should know how to write anything in cursive.
Yeah.
Cursive is just print, but like fancy.
yeah, pretty much.
I mean, very few of the letters are actually like different.
Except like
Well,
the capital letters.
Like
or,
G,
T
yeah,
and
like
F.
That's-
G
that's
is like
B.
weird.
Wait, how do you write
My
F?
name
and
is-
then
What's
cursive?
that?
Yeah, F and K.
My
How about F
signature
and
kind
K?
of looks like my name.
Oh, yeah.
So like a capital F.
The K is just like his print K, but like
Oh.
How about what?
Wait, how do you write a capital F in like? cursive?
oh, it's a T. But,
It's like
oh,
a
wait,
T.
calligraphy?
There's my
No.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, it's a T but with a line,
And then what's it's
and the I goes backward.
yeah. The I is weird.
Yeah, it's like,
But like, isn't the I?
That's capital I.
Yeah,
Wait, I'm trying to think. Not the I. The F and T are very similar.
yeah. The F and T are the
Always
same, but
confusing.
the F has a. How do you confuse them? It's just like a normal M.
One has a little,
One has a line, one doesn't have a line.
There's like a couple words. Wait, how do you do Q? Capital
Q's?
Q.
like that.
Is that how you do
What?
it?
Is that how you do it?
Yeah, mine never looked that like
How about?
natural though. Mine was always like
Wow.
I do a little circle at the top and then connect it and then do a little line.
What was like a hard cursive? It was always the T's and T's
G
and
was like weird.
and
Oh, I
F.
didn't
Yeah,
do that
G.
right.
Yeah, G is weird. The capital G's.
Yeah, the G's like weird.
And then
Doesn't look like G though.
because it looks like the Disney D, but like right. And then
The D's are always weird. too.
B looks.
What's
fun,
odd is
but it's
that
never-
that in cursive an N is like
Oh, I
that,
know. It's
and an M is like
Right.
Oh,
G.
yeah.
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 And then the R is the
If
same.
The problem with
Yeah,
that
the
is
R
that
is-
writing
Yeah.
fast.
The R is like
I-
Right.
yeah.
it's got a
The problem
flat
is
sort
that
of
writing
top.
fast, then it'll definitely be like
Wait,
my
what's
N's
this?
and M's will not be correct if I'm writing fast.
This looks like General Mills.
That's an S?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks-
It look like this.
I tried doing the G and I'm like, wait, why did you do an S?
Mid,
So wait.
yeah, the G and the S are like kind of similar.
Oh, S.
Millicent. Yeah.
Wait, what's that? So is that a G?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I feel like Griffin would be really satisfying to write
G.
in cursive.
Oh my God, right.
Oh, Griffin.
Yeah.
Griffin.
For lefty is hard to write.
Griffin.
Is Griffin there?
No.
No.
Wait,
He's got-
I think he has an
He's got a little
ortho.
ortho something.
What a bummer.
Ortho.
Moran. Oh my God, that looks good. Wait, Bella, I'm gonna send it to you. Wait, can you see it?
She can't see it.
What?
Wait, I'm gonna
Well,
send it.
No, I can't see the screen.
That's right, Adrian.
That's
What? What?
Is that a
Is it a
G?
G? It's a
Or a
Oh,
You know,
you
I'm
said
trying to do it like faster. I messed up.
it. Okay.
I messed up.
I sent it to
Wait, how do you do a Y?
A Y?
Yeah.
Why?
Why-
It's just a
why
it's
is-
just
yeah.
a Y.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
It's just a big ol'.
Yeah, it's like every Y.
Well, it's weird. There's like the A is just a bigger form.
Mhm.
N, M,
My
P.
name is so boring because the
Oh.
A. I am so bored.
Well, you
with
can
A's.
you can do like
I know that's what I do now, but like also I don't because when I mean I do it if I'm thinking about it, but if I'm not and I just sign my name, then it's just a normal A.
sure.
That's what I do for.
Nice.
I do a little line through the A.
That's
Where?
why I always sign my name in
Why?
Chinese.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
I could do that. Yeah, because like no one will
That's
know
how I write my
how-
name when I'm thinking
How your
about it.
signature here.
Wait.
I just do like.
And also I like it because all of my
like,
family,
Yeah.
my whole family is like J names. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not like how I usually write it, but that's how I write it when I'm trying to be fancy.
Well,
But my whole family's like J names, so when I do that A, it makes me feel like I'm writing a J,
Yeah, sure.
like Jadrian. Jadrian.
I just do like pretty much a bigger A.
Yeah, that's what I.
What
Like
if
that's
it's
how they, that's how
supposed
they teach it. But when you want to not look stupid, you can do a fancy A.
Yeah.
Whenever like I finish off, I just
You
like
could
kind
do-
of like write a little up. Just like
You could do that.
Oh, let me try. Papa. It doesn't connect very well. Yeah, I guess you want to connect it.
because I ended an R, I like make my R like upward.
I do
Like I finish it like that.
my R's. I tend not to.
Oh,
Oh.
that looks so cool because your R is like doesn't close.
Oh.
That's right. That's right.
Wait. Yeah.
That's just for like signatures normally.
What is that? Oh, the
That's how I
initials.
do Ryan. But what's that?
His initials. Have you seen that thing
Oh, the people do like
where they'll put like a person's name all in like a
yes.
thing? So they're like, I'll do it for you. I'll do Ryan.
Okay.
This is gonna be so good.
Imagine how you went from math to this.
Remember that's real? Okay, wait. So we got an R. So here's how we start. I'll give
Yeah, I
you
just did mine.
I'll give you a step-by-step process, Mr.
I
Stella.
just did mine.
So
Which
first,
way?
don't do it. No. So first you start with an R, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Then you see how you can fit a Y in there. So I'm gonna do
Send
it
me.
like this.
Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah,
I'll
this
send
looks
you.
good.
Let's see which one is.
So then you put in a Y.
Oh.
And then we gotta sneak an A in here. I'm gonna sneak mine right here. Oh yeah. Look. Now your A is right here.
Okay.
Ryan. And your N.
Yeah, this is how
there. It's already in.
Where?
With the A.
Yeah, I put it with the
see
A.
this
nice.
that's mine pretty much.
My see yours.
Mine.
It doesn't look as good as Ryan's.
They do
It doesn't look that good. Wait.
I was gonna start writing cursive.
Wait, I feel like
Sorry,
someone else
forget
can do yours
Which
better.
one?
Mr. Stella.
Marvel?
Let's see.
I'll do age. Wait, how do you fit a G in there? So now you fit a Y. Okay, you got your A.
The same way that I have to.
Wait, what? Bill?
Anyway, I can't do it.
My last character.
Okay, let's see if I can do
That is
A.
like very popular.
So we're gonna start with an A.
Very popular.
Wait, but I
Perfect.
figured out how to do a B.
Okay, I got my E. I got my E, everyone. Oh God. So the real question is how do you put a G in here? And I know how to do it. Just like this.
Wait, do you go through with your B's?
What do you mean?
Like capital B?
This looks so good.
Like
Well, the
I go like that? I think it's wrong.
That's satisfying.
Oh yeah, see I'm sure I'm like do we go back
Yeah,
through?
I
That's what
go,
thought.
yeah, so if I'm running like,
Well, I like doing the little
what's
circle.
that? That looks so bad, oh my God. Look, this is age, expertly done.
Not bad. Not bad.
Some people get their names tattooed like this, and
What?
like, I've
Just
got an
looks bad.
ugly tattoo.
That's pretty nasty. Wait,
Hey.
you want to do all of us? Do all of us.
Well, I think you did yours right. Like, I don't know how else I can do it. I'll try.
I have a
Wait,
friend.
do Will.
Okay. Wait, I'm doing you first.
Okay. I like how we should talk about cursive.
Oh wait, I like this.
I have a friend who did something like that for his.
What?
His name was Joseph P. Harrison.
I don't like it
JP?
anymore.
So he has a J.
That's like EP.
He has a
That's,
P,
that's how someone did it.
but it's also an H.
Oh, your name?
Oh.
Wait, that's your name in
Wait, you wrote yours in transitional Chinese?
Is that lunch?
Oh yeah, that is.
I don't know. Lunch.
What?
All right.
Wait, Marvel, wait.
Have your
What's
brats. We're gonna go to lunch,
Yeah,
Bella.
you wrote it like
Wait,
that.
guys.
Okay,
So it's John White.
I'll be here.
All right.
Pronounce my name John White.
Wait, what?
John White.
Oh, John Wayne. Oh.
Yeah, like Shay White.
Yeah,
Shay White. The same. Yeah. Same.
I didn't say John White. I was like, what? I don't know why you said that. I was so confused.
I just want to get some lunch, my guy. You're waiting for other people. I know. Where is she? Go to your email and do the 50 scatter. Don't look at it.
I have my own thing from Skyler.
Oh. Are you?
Like, it seems like it was last week they broke the beat because this.
Who did that? Was that James? James.
He actually does.
In the window.
Yeah, he actually did. He asked Mr. Sotelo.
She left.
Yo, Woody.
Attaboy Woody!
Don't yell out the window.
That's janitor MVP.
Yeah. He's probably the coolest janitor I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, I
That's
know.
pretty dope.
What's he doing?
Does he get flat tire? I mean, he was what, a year older than my brother's pops?
Yeah, he asked me the
Which
other day.
section?
in
How old
trial,
is he? Is he?
Jess,
He'd be
20
years
He'll be-
older, he'd be 26.
28. Well, Jess is 26.
27.
Is he just a year above her? He might be 27.
Because Jess was.
You guys ready?
I don't think
I'm gonna
so.
go rinse this off.
All right.
I think she might have been, I don't know.
All right. I want to finish this, you guys.
She just turned 26,
Okay.
like on the 30th.
So she's
I'm going
about.
first.
What are you doing?
So she's about 8 years older than you.
Yeah.
So she might have been my brother's class then.
Right?
I don't know.
She was in Bailey. Oh wait, maybe she wasn't actually. I don't know.
If she was in Bailey's class, then I mean she was in my brother's.
I think she was in Bailey's class, but I could be wrong about that honestly.
Because Lupita was a year under.
Right.
Well, James was a year
Well,
older.
I don't know if you noticed this, but I stole from you.
Oh.
You mean the Jolly Rancher?
Yeah.
He's like, I did notice.
Wait, one Jolly Rancher? No.
Howard.
That's what Adrian just said.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, whatever. That's not your Jolly Rancher.
I
Howard.
said
Howard.
for us.
You
Okay.
see that bird?
Oh wait. I still have to do Will's name.
Howard.
No.
It'll be quick. I'll just do it in my spare time,
Okay.
which is right now.
Wait, you do Marvel?
What's just right now?
Oh wait. Oh my God, Will. I have a good one for you. Hey.
We do
What's
Janitor
after
or Will?
W?
The log equivalent.
Oh, I did Will. Oh my God, wait. Stop. This looks so cool. Will, come look.
What in the
Will,
witchcraft is that?
look. Wait.
Actually pretty cool.
Right?
Yeah, let me
Do
see.
you see this stuff?
I don't think it looks cool.
How did it
That is good. That is
Right?
good, yeah.
Confirmed she's a witch. That's witch.
That's witchcraft.
I didn't even gonna lie.
Burn her on the stake.
Witch.
All right. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
You know, luckily I keep a
Born ready.
handy stake in my backpack.
All right. So normally, like everything is a function of x by default.
Pretty cool.
Where is it?
So we take derivatives with respect to x. So this one, we did something like this last time. What's the derivative of this thing?
Yes.
The derivative of that.
Yeah.
2x
2x, y, plus
2y y prime equals 0.
Good.
Oh my! Wait, you know?
Those geniuses.
Oh my gosh! I am learning.
Are
Then
we?
you should just take the AP
Then you
TOEFL
should-
test right now.
And you can
Oh,
cancel the 2's, right?
Oh yeah. You bring it over.
And y
Yeah,
prime
so
would
that's
be minus x over y.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very
I was
good.
like, wait a minute, where can we get that?
All right, let's do the derivative of this one. That's a z.
So
2z plus 2x plus
No,
2y,
no, no.
y prime.
Z prime. Plus
Wait, why z prime?
Because it's also assumed to be.
Two
Oh,
x.
because
If
if you look
it's
at the
not
graph,
X, then it has to.
Everything's a function of x.
2x.
2x,
X prime.
2y.
Oh wait,
No, will.
I don't
Plus
like
2y, y
y
prime
prime.
I don't like
equals 0.
I don't like using Z's because
And then
We're
like,
genius.
they look like twos when you don't do them like you do them, and I don't do them like you do them.
All right.
z?
Oh.
Is it z?
No, his fancy Z's.
Oh, the
Oh, you
cursive
mean the
z.
Z with the line then? I think the Z's with the line.
Yeah, I did that
never
before,
use
but
Z's with the line.
Wait, I said you have x, right? Or is
c is like
Yeah, Z's
z?
this.
2z prime
like that.
plus 2x plus 2y, y prime.
That's a cursive z.
So, we're bringing that
No,
over.
it's like a car, you know.
What?
See a car. It's a
All right, then you can cancel the twos. I'm not going to solve for y prime but this one is kind of getting into the next problems we're going to do, which are called related rates. So we actually have a relationship between the rate at which y changes and the rate at which z changes.
Wait, did you cancel all these twos or just those twos?
I guess I should do all of it, right? I just quit in the middle of it.
Right, I just.
So
Z negative
prime
Z
plus
minus
x
x.
plus y.
Well, you could say that z prime is minus x minus y prime, and then you divide by z.
Yeah, always.
Yeah, that'd be it. So if you knew y prime and x, y, and z, you could figure out what z prime was.
Y prime will be.
All right, now that's assuming that you're taking the derivative with respect to x, right?
Wait, question. You said that we don't have to simplify in text. So if we just put that whole thing, like z,
Mhm.
like 2z, z prime, plus 2x.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
Oh, yeah. It's all coming together.
They may want you to get rid of the 2, but you don't have to.
Oh, yeah.
It just sort of depends on the question.
It's all coming together.
All right, now in physics, you guys,
Oh.
everything is a function of time, actually. So even x is a function of time,
Of course.
and v is a function of time, right?
It is.
And acceleration is a function of time. Oops.
Why is that?
What's egg? Acceleration.
Yeah.
God.
Distance, velocity. and
Force could be a function of time. So actually, when we have equations that are dependent upon time, and time is our independent variable, it's time that we treat like x before, where we wouldn't have to do the t prime,
Right.
but in this case we would have to do the x prime because the x is no longer the independent variable. Are you guys listening?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Marvel's not.
I was saying now in these ones,
Yanni?
you're still not listening.
Guys.
When you take the derivative of equations where time is the independent variable, then the derivative of x squared would be 2x x prime. But actually, when you take derivatives with respect to time, we often use Newton's notation, which we use dots instead of primes.
Wait a minute, I don't like that.
Like, I don't know if I can manage
Yeah, I
that.
like the line better. not
X
dots.
x dot is velocity, and x double dot is acceleration.
So the dot goes on the front.
Wait a
We
minute.
didn't learn this in
The dot comes on top.
physics.
Well,
okay, so
you're not in calculus.
I thought
based
What the
on-
heck?
Wait.
Oh,
Wait,
I forgot that was
Oh,
here.
me too.
Hold the phone.
That's supposed to
I
be
can't
better.
even see the screen. I'm just hearing dots.
I know it makes sense
It's
now.
illegal. Trust me.
It's like
It's like a Lewis dot structure, but wrong.
That's so gross.
I know.
yeah, but that's what it is like.
So
Brady,
double
get outta
dot-
here.
So that's the same as derivative though?
Yeah, that's kind of like how we had y prime versus y double prime. it means the same thing. It just means that you're taking derivatives with respect to time. Your function,
my God.
your function varies with time.
This is so illegal.
This is like a good thing to identify though.
So if you see dots, it's just derivatives where t is your x instead of x.
Okay. So
That's
that
a
is
worst
a derivative
nightmare
with
to do.
respect to time.
This is why I wanted to avoid the kinematic equations.
Let's
Because-
avoid
Because then you'd have to do it with the
Then,
dots.
yeah, then your derivative of x would actually be x prime.
Right.
Derivative of 2x would actually be 2x dot, I should say,
Oh,
not
that
prime.
sucks.
Like six dots.
But the derivative of t is just 1 then,
When?
when you're taking derivative with respect to t.
Oh, okay, right. If it is
I still don't like this.
a t,
Do we need to know this? Would this be on the test at X?
absolutely.
The dot.
I can tell.
Probably not. I mean, I might, but it's
I
not.
can see it in his eyes.
Just have it
No.
as
I
extra
can see it in his
credit.
eyes. It's gonna be on the test.
It'll be on the test.
Just have it as extra credit.
Wait, will
You'll
we
be
have
fine.
that?
It'll be like there'll be something like this.
Can I clean this mug?
I got it.
You gotta clean my mug as well.
We're
I'll
done.
be back. Clean up the pen and then-
Oh.
But it's like, wait, we're done? Like,
Let's say you had this function, and I'd say, what is g prime of x?
G prime is.
So
Yeah.
2x. What do we have to clarify on the side?
No, just this over here.
Oh, 2x
Wait, we don't need X
plus. What do you
here.
mean?
Plus
6x.
What's
6x squared.
Wait.
that's a
what is
3. That's a 3.
that?
9x
Oh, that's a
squared.
3. Okay. I thought that was a 2.
It was initially a
I think
2.
it's a Z.
All right.
I kind of
There
think
you
it
go.
was a Z. I was like, what?
All right, but now if I had something like this, that's an x.
I just fix your posture.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot.
What would be that?
Things that you did
And then I said, what is x dot?
It's the derivative.
Yes.
T plus 16
Oh my god.
squish.
So.
This is just.
Yes.
T plus 6. Yeah.
So you just treat the
Don't
t
erase
like
this
it's
until I
x.
write it down.
So dot equal to.
It's the same as prime. It's just with respect to time. It lets you know you're doing a physics problem.
Oh, so dot only appeared in
Oh, is that
physics
cute?
models?
Yeah, it's called Newton's notation.
Newton sucks.
Newton does kind of suck. Remember when he?
You know what I'm
Remember
gonna
when
do?
he
I'm
fought
gonna,
that guy for the mill?
I remember when I told you about
I'm
it.
gonna go back in time and just like stop the apple from falling on his head.
Yeah.
It's like, how'd you do that?
That would not be a good idea. Make the apple fall on
And-
some
and
worthy
Newton's-
man's
So
head.
see,
Newton stayed
so
stupid
I'm gonna stop
forever.
it, and I'm gonna come back here, and then we're all just gonna be floating because gravity has been.
This invented it.
That's like that one meme where it's just Vector from Despicable Me sitting in the corner, and it's like whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Before Newton invents gravity, and then Newton.
You've been big.
I want to say. Yeah, I
Gravity existed in this year.
I don't remember.
So just be aware that this dot is just like what we've been doing. It's just like prime. Now, if you could take the derivative with respect to other letters, and nothing be different. Prime is sort of the generic derivative mark. Dot is specifically for time in physics. You don't really see it elsewhere.
Makes sense.
So like in physics, we used it all the time, but
Good thing we're not in physics.
or
I think
calculus,
we're at fallen.
calculus-based physics.
Good
Whoa,
thing we're
really?
That's what you're saying.
Bro,
You're still in-
bro,
you're
I'm
still
not
in-
in there next semester. Oh my
No.
god.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
Well,
I'm not in TA.
Oh, yeah.
that's gonna be so disappointing.
That's really the downfall.
How will
Especially,
I
especially if
have
you
the
go
will
to
to go to
Six
physics?
Flags
Let me-
this semester.
I haven't done anything in physics.
How am I gonna have the will to go to physics if Will's not gonna be there?
Yeah.
I don't
haven't
have
seen
the
Will do
will.
One thing.
Yeah, I was just sit there doing my stuff.
I look at your screen and I'm like,
If you text me, what you're actually doing this concert? Just
You just
myself.
things, you know?
Will's like, I'm either playing games or I'm looking at stuff. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
that's legit.
Like which school doesn't have me to do any stuff, so for sure.
All right, and you're just there for the show.
How about
Guess I'll
this
stay
one?
for stats and just do that.
No.
Oh, you would do stuff in stats for TA.
Will I?
Yeah. Make them
Mrs. Burdick has like 7 TAs though, if you want to be one of those. I don't think she'd need you much.
What are we doing here?
Nate, what do you
I
call that on
mean,
this
business
class?
rules need a lot of TA, but.
So this one you can, how do you, wait, okay, it's not in respect to time, right?
No.
Okay, so then you'll just use
It's such
time.
a beta.
So you
2x.
would just derive it.
Yeah, let's do
Yes,
this one way.
X fine.
Wait, are you doing it 2 ways?
Plus x, y.
Nate.
Wait, plus
X,
1,
Plus-
2, 1. 1,
So you
X,
gotta do
Y,
your little product.
X, Y, Y prime.
X, Y, Y prime.
Oh, yeah.
No.
No,
Excuse
that's
me?
at least the first
X,
one.
Y prime plus Y.
Oh, right.
X, y prime.
Plus Y.
I don't know why I keep doubling the
2Y.
Y's.
Close to.
0.
Wait, we're doing this plus y at.
Oh, equal 0.
It's because you have to derive the second part.
Wait, why do we need the Y prime sometime and we don't?
We need it for if there's a y.
Every time you take the derivative of y, you'll
Yeah,
end up
put
with a
prime.
y prime,
How about X? Not X.
not the x.
Oh.
The derivative of x with respect to x
Yeah.
is 1.
Oh. Okay. So only for Y.
Yeah. Now you can do it as a different way. Do I really want to do that way? Yeah, I guess that works. So you could do it that way, or you could do. Well, let me solve for y prime first.
What do we do with our 1?
Or its derivative of 1 is 0.
Oh, duh.
Duh.
Leave me alone.
When you at one point get y prime minus y prime,
Are you gonna do this? Is this a different problem or is this?
This is the. I'm just solving for y prime.
Wait a minute, isn't that? Wait a minute, Marvel. I see the predicament.
What's that?
unless
No, it doesn't work here. Because there's a different variable.
So that would be your solution, right?
yeah.
Let me just check it. Number 11.
Let me.
Whoa, missed the last part.
Oh, 11's asking something totally different, but that's okay. They want tangent lines at a particular point, so
Oh,
whatever. They just want us to plug in and figure stuff out.
yeah.
This is fine for what we did.
Actually, wait, leave this. I'm gonna write this down.
All right, I'm gonna write it.
Actually,
I'm gonna write it again in a slightly different way. Here, I'm gonna do exactly what we were doing with the time stuff, but instead of x prime or x dot,
X dot, extra, that's just a
yeah, good, and y dot, I'm just gonna write dx at the end of it. So this would be 2x dx
That was awkward.
plus x dy plus y dx. This time every derivative of x is dx. And minus 2y dy equals 0. Now this is pretty much exactly what we just did. These are pretty much equivalent. Because if I divide all terms by dx, let me do that in a different color. I'm going to be all Khan Academy on you. This is probably the more full version.
Wait, why is that plus y?
What? Here?
No,
Derivative of the
no, at the bottom. You're gonna get 2. Because.
What?
What are you talking about now?
It would be. Why is 2x plus? Because it's, see? I don't know how to say it.
this,
No, when you go down. And that.
this.
Yeah, I'm writing it down right now. And on the right side, you have 2y minus x.
Yeah,
And that's what you get.
because I subtracted this from both sides, and I subtracted,
And then you
added,
2x plus y.
and I factor out the y prime.
Oh, actually, I read the whole bottom.
I did marvel,
I read
but
it
it
all
was
over.
kind of funky. Not as bad as the others though.
And notice these cancel here,
Okay.
and you get 2x plus x dy dx plus y minus 2 y dy dx. And now these dy dx's are y prime. And this is exactly this. Right?
That's not math.
So this is the same thing.
Witchcraft.
It's English.
Uh,
This is letters.
you're just kind of skipping the divide by dx part when you do this way, the original way.
That's witchcraft. That gives me nightmares.
I can do this.
And he's gonna have to burn calculus at the stake.
I might have to. Like, this is some witchcraft.
You're gonna burn it and it floats. Any questions?
If you
You're like, yeah, we.
If you drown, well, you weren't a witch, and sorry for killing you.
All right.
Their logic.
Sorry you didn't see any of that.
I love that logic. It's like,
It's all right.
I will post this.
If you float, you're a witch.
if you drown,
Okay.
you weren't a witch.
There was this
Sorry for
movie
killing you.
that came out on Netflix a while ago, and it was really popular when it came out. Whatever it was called. But anyway, Charlize Theron, right? She played this one chick, and she was like immortal, you know. And everyone thought she was a witch back in the day. Her and her friend were both immortal, so they tried to kill her, but like she escaped somehow. But they put her friend in the iron thing and then threw her in the ocean. But like she couldn't die, so she was in the ocean for like 500 years, like in that little cave.
Imagine if you couldn't move for like 500
Right.
years.
Like, imagine, you would go absolutely insane.
And she couldn't breathe also, so.
No, well,
Well, she's
she's
immortal.
immortal.
She's immortal, but she still needs air. She's still
True,
breathing.
but I don't know
So
if
it'd be hurting in her lungs.
I don't know if
I probably
like,
felt pain, but like,
I don't know if she was like sealed, you know?
Well, in the Greek myths, didn't they make somebody immortal, but he like turned into this jelly pile?
Wait, she was like in the iron thing. What did the iron like?
Adrian,
Just break it?
new movie for you to watch.
Yeah. but, like,
It's called Vivarium with Jesse Eisenberg. It's on Amazon Prime.
Jesse, I want to watch The Social Network so bad because I never saw it. But Jesse,
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
it's so good.
Right, and I heard a lot of people say that it was like Andrew Garfield's like best performance, and I was like, then I want to see it, you know? 'Cause,
Plus, Army Hammer is twins in that movie.
right,
I love seeing double of him.
Oh!
Just kidding. But not really.
Double.
Studies have found out no
I can
evidence
talk to
that
you.
moving marijuana lowers.
The microphone is here.
But what do you
ASMR.
Of course.
You can lift it.
That's okay. I'm gonna give her a little show.
Do you want to see my renegade?
That's not what that was.
where's the paper towels go?
That other side. Oh,
Shit, like, I'm going with this one.
I'll teach you this dance. Wait, Mark.
Stop.
Watch out.
I need to grab this.
Clap. Slide. Elbow shake. She ain't trying to throw
What are you
hands.
still on there?
She's throwing that cake. Okay, wait, she's doing it. Okay, clap. Then slide. Elbow
Okay.
shake. She ain't trying to throw.
Let's TikTok.
She ain't trying to throw.
I turn around?
No.
Oh.
You do the little shaky thing. Hands. She's throwing that cake.
I think you guys are ready for that.
No, we're not.
No.
Now put it all together.
I don't
Those are
know.
Hands in the pockets.
Bobby.
Elbow shake.
Oh, marble.
Okay, Marvel.
Okay, Marshall's got it.
We're right there.
All right, desk cleaning time.
No.
Fella, make sure you're following along at home. Clean your desk.
Oh, yep.
I got this stuff.
I'm gonna spray the screen.
Clean up.
Make sure you wipe the screen.
Everybody, everywhere. Oh my God.
What's not?
You guys remember that?
What's not?
You guys remember that though, right?
Oh, don't that.
Clean up.
What? Don't that.
Clean up. Everybody, everywhere.
All right, I'm gonna head out.
Oh, bye, Bella.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Have fun.
I'm gonna hang up for a little while.
You sprayed my Jolly Ranchers.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do it.
Oh, looking back cute, Will.
All right, it's going away. Last minute something.
Oh, whoops.